are making this paper spinner. The materials you will need include a sheet of paper, a piece of cardboard, twine or yarn, 20 inches works well, scissors, glue, a pencil, and crayons or markers. Start by drawing and cutting a circle out of your cardboard. You can use a small bowl to draw the circle, or you can eyeball it. Next, use the cardboard circle to trace 2 circles onto your paper. Color a fun design in the circles. I recommend making a fun pattern with colors so it looks cool when we spin it. To play with color theory, you can even put 2 primary colors repeating, then when it spins, it will make the secondary color. Once you're done, cut the circles out and glue them onto your cardboard circle. Next, we're going to find the center of our circle and make 2 holes right in the middle. Put each end of your string into one hole, meet them on one side and tie a knot. It should look like this, and the cardboard should not be able to fall off the yarn. And you're done! To make it spin, grab each end of the string and loop the wheel in a circle forward to twist the string. Then pull the string tight to unravel the twist and spin the spinner. What's the science behind this? So we exert force to twist the string, which creates potential energy in the twisted string. When it unwinds, the potential energy is converted to kinetic energy. I hope you guys enjoyed and see you next time. Bye!